Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Portrait 5 and we're going to be working in a grayscale this one, Grayscale Grisaille. So I still prep my canvas or my reference photo exactly the same as I have for the other 4 portraits. So this portrait and the next one will be a Grayscale Grisaille, but nothing else has changed as far as how we prep our reference photo. You copy, paste, and then find the colors that you're going to have to match on the Golden website. And again, it doesn't have to be exactly the colors that you found on the Golden website. Like for instance, I'm just like kind of checking and finding which one might be a good mid-tone value at the moment. And I'm just kind of figuring out where these colors are around the image, and I've decided that that one looks like a good local color. So I copy and paste it into Google, grab the RGB code, go into Golden again, and see what they give me. Pyrrole orange. Pyrrole? I think I've said it different ways the entire class, but yeah, so now that I know what color I'm going to be using, I am just going to desaturate it after I duplicate it, export or download as a PDF print, download, and then I can open it and print it. All right, I will see you later. Bye.